Do you play MADFUT 24? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich. So as you can see, I got a ton of money there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of the MADFUT 2024. So you can get unlimited money. No jailbreaker computer is needed for this video. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super awesome, guys. And I really like having this because I was really poor and now I'm really rich. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. Super insane, guys. Fully working. So yeah, keep watching the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So what we need to do is go to mods. It says ton of mods are apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, we're just going to go search bar, type MADFUT. So as you can see, guys, it says MADFUT 24. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. It's just super insane, guys. It's fully updated. You can get a ton of money with this guy, so it's super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is awesome and it is so crazy, bro, that it actually works. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. It fully works. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. You know, MADFUT's cool and all, but it's hard to be rich, but I'm rich now, so be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm really happy to have this modded version installed, and I can be a rich kid now. Look, I got 100 million. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. See you guys. And remember, all you gotta do is go to mods, and you're gonna be all good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. See you guys later. So just go to mods and just type in MADFUT. You're good to go, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. It's super cool. Fully working, guys. I mean, this is insane. Like, it's crazy, bro. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. This actually works, guys. So yeah, super cool. I mean, this is awesome. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yes, it's super crazy, to be honest. I don't know how they did this, to be honest, but it is working. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video, and peace out.